In this demo, we'll quickly explore 7 key production workflows in Unleashed, helping you manage assemblies, costs, and efficiency with confidence. Number 1. Assemblies made simple. Create assemblies quickly using predefined bills of materials or bomb-free options for custom builds. Use the assembly Kanban to track and update progress and assign production persons directly. Number 2. Disassembly for flexibility. Break down finished goods into components when needed using the disassembly function in Unleashed. Perfect for returns or repurposing stock. Number 3. Bill of material management. Maintain accurate bills of materials for consistent production. Add, edit, or remove components and wastage easily. Number 4. Batch and serial tracking. Ensure compliance and traceability by allocating batch or serial numbers to components and finished goods. Number 5. Auto-assembly for efficiency. Enable auto-assembly in BOM settings to automatically create assemblies when stock is short during sales order processing. Number 6. Cost accuracy and supplier costs. Capture true landed cost by adding supplier charges during assembly, ensuring accurate margins. And number 7. Production inquiry and reporting. Track all assemblies and disassemblies with production inquiry reports for full visibility. Some recommended best practices: review BOMs regularly, allocate batches before completion, and reconcile costs monthly. Ready to optimize your production workflow? Head to Production then Assemblies and start building today. For more tips, check out our help files using the help navigation here. Thanks for watching.